Using materials for longer, that's environmentally friendly. Improving the quality of recycled goods is important, but that's not sustainable without a society eager to use those materials. We were surrounded by ceramics and metals. They were replaced with plastics, which are now everywhere. There has been mass production, mass consumption, and mass disposal. But we'd like to find ways to use products longer so that resources can be circulated instead of wasted. That is called a circular economy. When you hear circular economy, people often think of recycling, but reuse is actually the most important factor. We want to use products over a longer period, but plastics are brittle and are often discarded after they break. But if you have durable, long-use plastics, that's what's best for the environment. The most important point would be to improve the durability and lifespan of brittle plastics. Tires are worn down into particles that flow into our waters. Since they don't degrade easily, they accumulate and pollute the ocean. Ideally, tires should be durable while in use, but degrade quickly if they end up in the ocean. We do not yet have polymers with both of those traits. It would need to be invented. Additionally, we want components of plastic to be inedible. If the biomass were edible, then it would conflict with the food issue. To overcome this challenge, we must develop innovative technologies. Improving the quality of recycled goods is important, but that's not sustainable without a society where people are eager to use these recycled materials. We involve not just science professors, but also professors from economics and liberal arts. Both natural and social sciences are coming together to provide what we call integrated knowledge to promote the circular economy project.